In this video, we'll talk about high converting multi-step forms in LeadGen App. This is a multi-step form in the live view, and I am going to go through the steps one by one. So let's say I say next, and I choose e-commerce website as the option for this question. And likewise, I'm going to fill all the steps of the form and say next. And then I use these options for the last question, and then I submit the form. Now let's take a look at the form inside the builder. So this is how my form looks like inside the builder. In the first step, I have used a text box and I have added some text to it. You can make all sorts of edits to your text using these options above. Next, I have added one more text box, but I have left it empty just to create a bit of space. And the second step, I have a single select question with a list of options there. And suppose I want to add one more question to the same step. So I click on this orange button and I choose from the options here. So I want to add a question. So I get to choose from a wide range of questions here. We have the first name, the last name, single select type, the multi-select type, address type question, GDPR, the phone number, the date. And let's say I choose phone number type question here. So we can also move this question up and down on the same step using these arrows. And we can also delete this question or delete the step as a whole. And now I save the form and check the effect on the live view. So I'm going to refresh the page here and let's see if the phone number type question is added to the form on the second step. So yes, it is added on the second step. So let's go to the form builder again and let's see how a step can be added in between the two steps or in the end of the form. So suppose I want to add one more step at the end of the form. So I click on this red button and again I have a number of options here to choose from. Let's say I choose the paragraph text and I add a title to it and then I save the form. Now let's go to the live view again and refresh the page just to check if the paragraph type question is added at the end of the form. So I'm going to go through the steps once again. And I choose these options and I say next, and this is a paragraph type question that I added in the builder and I submit the form. You can also choose to add forms from a wide range of ready-to-use templates. Just go to Forms, click on the Add Form button and either start from scratch or use a template from our template store. You can search forms based on the categories here. We have the application forms, the briefing forms, the feedback forms, the lead qualification forms, and so on. You can also choose from single step and multi-step forms. And you can also search for a template. Just type in the name of the template and the results will be displayed to you like this. Also, you can choose forms based on the industry. We have a wide range of options here. We have the healthcare industry, the web design agencies, the finance, and so on.